triple wavelength Diode Laser hair removal machine. Let's see how to install the machine. First, take out the device. And remove the water funnel. Every month we need to replace new water. When you need to replace the new water, first we should take out the used water. We open this cover to drain the water out. Then we fill new water from here. After filling water, no need to cover the screw holes for better water circulation. Connect the power cord. Switch on. Insert the key. Turn on the key switch. Turn on the emergency button. Select the handle. And this is the treatment part. Different treatment part. Here, front side of body, back side of body, face. Here are 6 skin types in total. Select the skin type. Select the treatment part. Enter. On the left side, home is return to the home page. Save the parameters we set. We can keep it for next time. Reset. If we don't need the parameters we set, we can click reset to let the parameters become to the original parameter. At this time, we don't need to make the treatment, so we can close the cooling function. Here, 3 modes for treatment. SHR stack. Fluence. This is an edge. Increase tricks. Pulse wise, this is a light stay on the skin, how long need to stay on the skin, pulse wise. And this is temperature, cooling mark, strength of water flow. This is shots count, how many shots have been used. SHR, fluence. Fluence is adjustable. At the beginning, we also advise fluence start from 1. And time, energy, grid size. If we change the grid size, the time and energy will be changed automatically. HR, hair removal. Fluence can be adjustable and the frequency can be adjustable. Frequency is the speed of shooting. For armpit hair removal, we can set the frequency 4 or 5. If we do hair removal around the mouth, we can set the frequency 1. Get ready. After treatment, we should clean the handle. And power off the machine.